I truly appreciate the quality that went behind this. I have the iPhone 6. And I've already applied the screen protector glass here. Already installed. No bubbles whatsoever. The package comes with this nice wiping cloth, microfiber cloth. It comes with 100% satisfaction guarantee, warranty. You get nice labels here. This is great. You have a wet wipe and a dry wipe. And these come in handy for the second glass. This is what the paper was. It gives you a nice instruction manual. Very easy to follow. 7 steps. Really good quality. Advertise more things they sell there. And here is the package that the glass comes in. So if I were to open this, you see it has a tab that helps with your placement. And that tab is on both sides. See? Helps you with the placement. And again, follow these instructions. It'll show you exactly how to wash your hands, how to apply it. Oh, and can't forget this card to help make sure that you smooth out any bubbles that may potentially be inside. That's it. Thank you.